Okay guys, so we're at this remodel in Cerritos. Just getting the pool pumped down and drained. We're gonna replace the heater out here. So this isn't even hooked up. So we'll take this to the dump. Put in a new Jandy heater. Get a new filter in. They have a decent pump down here. Go ahead and take all the equipment up though, temporarily, and put a nice concrete pad down for them. Pool's basically completely drained. Gotta flip our pump a little bit to get the very bottom out. We're going with a mini pebble on this. So this is old white plaster. It turns this color because of old copper plumbing. So you could think of like the Statue of Liberty and how that was copper and how it turned green, bluish green. Plaster does the same thing, just from the copper pipes. So we don't use copper plumbing anymore. It's all PVC. This is the demo setup. The guys are getting set up out here to chip out the plaster, take out the coping and tile. These are the tools of the trade here. These are pneumatic chipping hammers. So they use a compressor and generator. We'll get some action shots of them doing that. So this is more or less the pool demoed. Obviously cleanup still needs to happen and they're still wrapping up the spa over here. But this is more or less the process. Another common demolition process is called hydroblasting, where they shoot high pressured water. And that's a really effective, good way to do it as well. This is the old skimmer being demoed out. We went ahead and replaced the skimmer with a new one and put 2 suction lines on the wall as opposed to the single suction line down on the floor. So this is more up to code now. Our nice travertine coping. The customer picked all the colors on this job. I kind of feel like the tile blends in a little too much with the coping, but of course the customer is always right. This is the new equipment. All new Jandy equipment put in. Really nice setup here. Ultimately the tile and coping, they look nice. It's just a matter of personal taste. But the travertine coping, you know, it's all natural stone. Super nice quality stuff. And this is the plaster process. They picked a French gray mini pebble, so it's a very gray pool. And this is a very common color nowadays, French gray. A lot of people are also picking like dark colors, even black bottom pools, which is kind of nice. That keeps the pool warmer in the summer. When the sun's hitting it, it retains the heat. The French gray, you'll see the color at the end when it's filled with water. It's a nice, pretty kind of light bluish green color. Plastering process, as always, is really satisfying to watch. This step section here, we posted a video of it on our Instagram and it went completely viral. So a lot of people, I guess, like seeing this finishing process. It's kind of like frosting a cake or something. But yeah, so once plaster's done, it's really the final step. The guys will come back the next day for a pebble like this. They'll come back the next day and acid wash it. And after acid washing, they fill it up, and then the pool goes through a startup process where a maintenance company comes out and makes sure all the chemicals are dialed in and all the chemistry is where it needs to be. We'll get a shot of the exposed finish here in a second. We'll get a close-up. It's really nice material because you do get more traction. It's not so rough to where it hurts your feet. Old pebble back in like the early 2000s was very rough and it would hurt people's feet. This one is a mini pebble, So it's a much more comfortable material to walk on, and you're much less likely to slip. As you can see, it has a really small texture to it, which is nice. And yeah, so in the concrete world, when they do an exposed aggregate, they kind of do the same thing. They'll let the cement start to take up and cure, and then they'll wash it, kind of like these guys are doing. Here's the final product. I was really bad on this project on getting final videos and photos of the completed job. So I'm sorry that this is all I have, but this is it finished up. It's a really pretty color inside the pool. The watercolor with the French grade is nice. It's really nice. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more content like this, swimming pool construction, please like and subscribe. Take care.